So, for maths today, you're having to find missing angles, okay? And the important thing, first thing to remember, is that a straight line, remember, that is 180 degrees. So, I've got to find missing angles on these straight lines here. Well, I've been given one of the two angles. And what I need to do here, because if this line was to have turned the entire way flat, that would be 180 degrees. So the straight line is 180 and it has gone a 65 degree turn. Well, to work out the rest is a simple sum. 180 degrees take away 65. The same here. This time the line has gone from 180 degrees and has gone up by it's turned 35 degrees. It's the same calculation of subtracting from 180 degrees to find this missing angle here. And then here we've gone from 180 degrees but we've turned 80. So to make the full turn would be 100 degrees. Again, it's the same sum. 180 degrees take away 80. So remember that angles on a straight line are 180 degrees. So here we did 180, take away 65, the missing angle was 115 degrees. Here we did 180, take away 35, the missing angle is 145 degrees. I know these are right as well because they're both obtuse, they are greater than 90. And then finally here, 180, take away 80 means the missing angle was 100 degrees. And also you're going to have angles on intersecting lines. That means lines that cross over. Well, here this looks really, really hard to solve. But there's a couple of things I need to know. I need to know, first of all, a full turn. If I was to turn all the way round and back to the board, that's a full turn. Or we could call it a circle. That would be 360 degrees. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, all of these four angles here would have to add up to 360 degrees. But intersecting lines, finding opposite angles are nice and easy. Because they're intersecting, because the line doesn't move at all, it remains straight, that means that opposite angles are exactly the same. So, this is 65 degrees here, so I know this is 65 degrees here. Now you might not need this information for today, but I could also then work out this angle and this angle. Because if I did 65 at 65, then those two added together, I would take away from 360, halve that, and it will give me the two missing angles there. Don't worry about that too much today, you won't need that today. Just to remember that when you have intersecting lines, opposite angles are the same. Okay? And so we saw there, 65 here, well the opposite angle is 65. We managed to work out then that these other opposites here would have been the same as well, 115. So remember, to work out angles on straight lines, you do whatever angle you've got and you take it away from 180 degrees. Remember, full turns, that's now, well it's double, isn't it, 180? Because 180 is half a turn, okay? So a full turn is 360 degrees. So if you need to work out an angle there, you subtract from 360 degrees. and intersecting lines, opposite angles are equal.